Artificial Intelligence AI na lam kayada kanaba pirakli AI gi mateng na lau singuba amadi sa nga loibagi lamda kari ahenba kanaba piri haibagi matangda CAU gi Public Relation and Media Management asinba Award in Scientific Journalism program gi manung channa akhanaba report ama
Artificial Intelligence ki tongan ba application mating na ekhoi lo sungubagi lamda ano mayo nama piduna lomi singi thabak thoramda chauna kanaba pibu ngamgadori AI algorithm na satellite image weather data amadi soil condition analyze tawduna lomi singna puthokadori ba pathok kaya yamna puthokpa ngamgani khanganduna inform oirba lomi ma oiba ngamhalli AI agent sing sizinaduna lomi singi thabakta kari mating pangba yai haibagi matangda Indian Institute of Information Technology IT Manipur gi Department of Computer Science and Engineering gi Assistant Professor Dr. Saharia na haibada AI gi mating na lomi amada low thabadagi horaga khawba madi lokpa phawba mating pangduna inform oiba lomi mang ohenba ngami haiki.
In agriculture, starting from the preserving seed to sowing them, in all phases we can take help of AI. For example, if he want to check the quality of his soil in the paddy field, with the help of AI can detect the pH value in the soil. AI can automatically detect instead of going for the laboratory. With the help of mobile or with the help of small sensors, we can assist farmer to get that knowledge of that paddy field. Information maybe in terms of pH value, nutrient values or fertilizers component or the water value.
Lomi singna thengnaba khwaidagi khudong chadabagi manungda lofam singda thariba mahi marong amadi maru marang singda tin tasanduna ama ata thohanduna lomi gi pathok chathok hanthanbani labukta tin taba matamda AI power camera yawba drone sing sizinaduna crop health pest disease amadi pambida nutrient watpasing detect tawba ngamalle AI na pest management amadi crop monitor tawbagi matangda Dr. Saharia na hai drone sizinaduna farm singda pest amadi monitor tawwa hidak langthak yamna specific oina kapa yahalle masina lomi singda paisa changhandaba amadi mina changbada nungaitaba mafam sing cover tawba ngamalli lomi amana mahaki mobile phone gi khuthangda photo kaplaga AI apps ki matengna laina khangdokpa amadi treatment tawba ngamalle indigenous disease natraga problem sing gi oina su AI gi mating lauraga indigenous oiba solution puthokpa yagani haina Professor Saharia na thamlagi.
While we are talking about agriculture or farmers field, so in that domain people are talking about, can we identify disease without going to agriculture scientists, without approaching agriculture? Can we identify disease of a plant and then get solution for that? Answer is yes. Possibilities, feasibilities are there. With the help of even your mobile camera, there are some tools. Using those tools, we can detect those diseases. Disease detection maybe of any form or any crop.
AI application sizinaba sina labukta thabak subagi missing hanthanduna thabak phangdabagi achobo wafam ma lakpa yai haibagi wafam ma lakpa singa mari leinana Professor Saharia na hai AI changchalakpa sina agriculture natraga atopa sector da missing khara hanthalakpadi yai adubu AI gi khuthangda atopa anoba thabak kharasu create tawba ngamgani maru oibadi AI gi mating lauraga ekoi gi punsiro fagahanba adubuni haina Professor Saharia na haiki.
Human requirement is there. We are not saying that AI will remove human from the job sector. No, it is not like. To control the devices, we need human. Without human, we cannot control them. So for that, yes, although we are saying that it is automated devices. To control the automated devices, again we need a set of human. For example, earlier there was no such job called drone pilot. Slowly that drone pilot job is emerging. Our objective should be to enhance ourselves.
Manipur state ki economy da agriculture sector na hakthing anamadi nakoina na sada humpuena thodang lauduna yamna maroiba sector ma oiri adubu labor gi masing wasalakpa lofong gi sang hatarpa madi matam gi oina laina tina kya tholakpa sina maram oiga state sigi agriculture sector da puthokpa yaba photoki chang si yam hena puthokpa ngamdana lairi fibom sida state asigi agriculture sector da Artificial Intelligence AI mating lauraga state asigi agriculture sector sida yam hena puthoknaba honaba matam yorobra haiba wafam adu thamjari. Camera person pibo goloina podam jariba bakta torambam Impact News Imphal.